Good day, everyone. Welcome to our grade 6 mathematics class. This is our lesson for Module 1, Quarter 1. I am your teacher, Teacher Zaida. Our topic for today is addition and subtraction of fractions. Mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 2 and 1/5 and 7 and 3/8. Okay, so now let's discuss addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. Okay, let's add 2 and 5/8 and 3 and 1/8. So again, these are similar mixed numbers because the denominators are, okay, very good. The denominators are the same. So we just add whole number. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And then we just add the numerators. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And then just copy the common denominator, 8. And then we simplify if necessary. So let's simplify the fraction 6/8. Think of a number that can divide both 6 and 8. Okay, yes, we could use 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, yes, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. Very good. Since there are no other factors for 3 and 4, our continuous division ends here. Okay, so we have 3/4 as, okay, 3/4 as fraction. So our final answer is 5 and 3/4. Did you get that? Okay. Okay, let's add 7 and 3/4 and 9 and 5/6. So these are dissimilar fractions because the denominators are not the same. Okay? So we have to change these fractions to similar fractions. And to do that, we have to find the LCD. Okay? And the LCD of 4 and 6 is, okay, by using listing method, the LCD of 4 and 6 is, okay, very good. The LCD of 4 and 6 is 12. So we change the denominator to 12. Okay, and then just divide and multiply. So divide, 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so we now have 7 and 9 over 12. Okay, let's do 5/6. So again, LCD is 12, divide and multiply. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 5 times 2 is 10. So 9 and 5/6 will become 9 and 10 over 12. Okay? And then just add the whole numbers. 9 and 7, or 7 and 9 will give us 16. Okay? And then add the numerators. 9 plus 10 is 19. Copy the common denominator, 12. Okay? But if you look closely, 19 over 12 is an improper fraction. Okay? A mixed number should be a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Okay? So we have to simplify our answer. Okay, to do that, we have to change 9 over 12 to mixed number. So to change improper fraction to mixed number, just divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay, so 19 divided by 12 is 1. 1 times 12 is 12. Subtract, we get 7, and 7 is our remainder. Okay? So again, that 19 over 12 will become 1 and 7 over 12. And then we add that to 16, we will get 17 and 7 over 12. Did you get that? Okay. Okay, let's try 6 and 1/3 minus 2 and 1/2. Again, these are dissimilar mixed numbers because their denominators are not the same. Okay, would you try finding the LCD of the fractions? What did you get? Okay, very good. The LCD of the fractions is 6. So we change these fractions to similar fractions. Okay? Okay, let's change the denominator of 1/3 to 6. And then just divide and then multiply. Okay? 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 2 times 1 is 2. Okay? So 6 and 1/3 will become 6 and 2/6. Okay? Okay, let's do 1/2. So again, change the denominator to 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then multiply. 1 times 3 is 3. Okay? So 2 and 1/2 will become 2 and 3/6. Questions? Okay, now look at the numerators. We cannot subtract 3 from 2, right? Okay, so we have to do regrouping. And how do we do that? Okay, since we cannot subtract the numerator of the subtrahend from the numerator of the minuend, or we cannot subtract 3 from 2. Okay, we have to borrow 1 from 6. And when we borrow 1 from 6, obviously, 6 will become 5. Okay, and the 1 that we borrowed must be expressed into fraction. Okay, remember that any fraction wherein the numerator is equal to the denominator, that fraction is equal to 1. Okay, so for example, 1 over 1, 2 over 2, or 3 over 3, and so on. Okay, so we take the common denominator as our hint into which number must we use as numerator and denominator. Okay, so our common denominator is 6. Therefore, we will change 1 to 6 over 6. Okay, question? Okay, and then we add 2 6. Okay, and that 2 6 is from 6 and 2 6. Okay, our minuend. Did you get that? Okay. So if we add this, our minuend will become 5 and 8/6. Okay, so we will now have 5 and 8/6 minus 2 and 3/6. Okay, we can now subtract 3 from 8. Okay, so let's start from whole number. 5 minus 2 is 3. And then, since these are similar mixed numbers, we can just subtract 3 from 8. Okay, so 8 minus 3 is 5. And then we copy the common denominator, 6. Okay, and then again, we look at the fraction 5/6. Okay, we try to think of any number aside from 1 that we can divide to 5 and 6. Is there any other number that we could use to divide 5 and 6? Okay, no, there is none. Very good. So therefore, since the only common factor of 5 and 6 is 1, this is already in its simplest form. So our final answer is 3 and 5, 6. Questions? Okay. Okay, I hope you were able to understand our lesson for today and is now ready for your module. Thank you for listening. Until next time, goodbye.